In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Twilio for WhatsApp and SMS automation 2025. By the end, you'll have a simple automated reply ready in Twilio Studio and your WhatsApp sender set up so you can start responding to customers right away. Start by signing in at twilio.com. Once you're in the console, we'll focus on SMS and WhatsApp automation using Twilio Studio, which is the drag and drop tool for building message flows without code. From the console, open Explore Products, then choose Studio. This is where we'll build the flow that sends your automated message. Create a new flow. Give it a clear, descriptive name, something like SMS works fine for this demo, and proceed to the next screen. Choose Start from Scratch so you're working with a clean canvas and continue. You'll land on the visual builder with a Start widget in the middle and a toolbox on the right. From that right panel, drag the Send Message widget onto the canvas and drop it next to Start. Click the Send Message box to configure it. Rename the widget to something you'll recognize later, like Send Message, which keeps things organized if you add more steps in the future. Now scroll down to the message body and type the text you want to send automatically. For example, "Hello, thanks for contacting us. How can we help you today?" Keep this friendly and concise. Short messages generally deliver faster and look great on mobile. When you're happy with the copy, click Save. It's a good habit to save frequently as you iterate. With the flow saved, head back to messaging in the console. We're going to set up the sender you'll use for WhatsApp. Open Senders, then choose WhatsApp Sender. Give it a friendly name so your team can identify it at a glance. Something simple like "new message" is fine while you're testing. Next, create a messaging service. This acts as a container for your senders and routing rules, helping you manage throughput and compliance as you scale. After the service is created, add a sender and choose WhatsApp. That associates your WhatsApp number with the service so your Studio flow can reach customers on that channel. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. On trial accounts, you may need to verify recipient numbers before sending. And for business-initiated WhatsApp messages, make sure your templates are approved to ensure delivery. Keep naming consistent across flows, widgets, and services. Clear labels make maintenance effortless later. Save your changes and you're ready to automate replies with Twilio.